Assalamu alaikum, dear students, how are you? I hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool, and this is Mokter Hossain, Assistant Teacher, National Ideal English Version School Day Shift. Today I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for the students of class Junior 1, and our today's topic is IGK 10 to 12. Okay students, let's see the board. Topic IGK 10 to 12, lecture number 25, SW, today no SW, and today's date. The students, let's start our today's topic IGK. I hope all of you know that IGK means Islamic General Knowledge. IGK number 10, who was the grandfather of our Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam? And the answer is Abdul Muttalib. ABDUL, Abdul, MUTTALIB, Muttalib. Number 11, who is our creator? The answer is Allah, ALLAH, Allah. Number 12, what is the name of our religion? The answer is Islam, ISLAM, Islam. Dear students, I repeat, number 10, who was the grandfather of our Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam? The answer is Abdul Muttalib. Number 11, who is our creator? Answer, Allah. Number 12, what is the name of our religion? And the answer is Islam. Okay students, that's all for today. I hope you have understood today's topic properly. Keep practicing at your home, abide by your parents, stay safe and well. See you again inshallah. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.